Hello doctors, welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Saurabh Agrawal from Urizone Education Private Limited. Today I am not going to talk about any process or about any country. Today I am going to talk about something very special. Like I have got calls and emails and WhatsApp messages also from the different doctors who are already in Germany, and they have lots of complaints, and they told me they came to Germany with such XYZ agencies, and these agencies have given the wrong information, they have misguided, and because of them they are now in trouble in Germany. They cannot able to fulfill their motive for what purpose they came to Germany, but now they are somewhere in trouble and they cannot proceed with that. And they have paid a lot of money also to the agencies, and now agencies have already took their money and there is no pending money, no dues. So now these agencies are not responding to them. So guys, I don't understand why you are a doctor, okay, you have been graduated, you become a doctor, so why you believe such agencies, why you trust them, why you give them money very easily, like without knowing anything. So I'm very sorry for those doctors who have been cheated by such agencies and now they are in trouble. They have wasted their time and money and now they don't have anything in their hand. So I'm feeling very sorry for them from bottom of my heart, and I just want to make awareness by the help of this video. So there are certain agencies, I don't want to take the name of the agency. There are certain agencies, I don't know why you trust such agencies. Like these agencies, first of all, nobody, they came to Germany, they never came to Germany. They are not doctors. They don't know the German language. Okay. So how they can do the documentation? How can they help you even if they don't know the German language? Okay. Because most of the documentation is in German language. One should know the German language, then only he can help you. And he should be a doctor. That is a better point because you are in the same line and he can guide you much better. But I came to know that there are certain agencies who are non-medicos and there are certain agencies who are medicos. So I don't understand what kind of doctors they are who are making money by cheating of the same profession, of the same their colleagues. So I don't have words to say anything against them. I cannot say publicly here, but this is not acceptable. Okay. So guys, if you know such agencies, if you also have been cheated by such agencies, I cannot say the name of the agencies right now in front of video, but if you know such agencies, you can expose them, you can tell to everybody, so that at least now the doctors who are planning to go to Germany, they get the awareness of such agencies and they will not get cheated by such agencies. You can write the names of such agencies in the comment section so that everybody can know them. Okay, you can expose them. So I don't want to make this video very long, so that's all. I just want to tell everybody, so be aware and please choose the right consultancy. The doctor, he should be a doctor. I'm not saying about that one who is running his business like this. He should be in Germany, he should be working in Germany, and he should know the language, German language, and he should guide you in the right direction with the correct information. If you go on my website, I have given so many information, I have made so many YouTube videos, I have given the free information. You can use that information to help you. Okay. Even if you need more information from me, you can contact me directly by writing me email, by sending me WhatsApp message. I will be helping you. Okay. But please don't trust anybody blindly. Okay. If you trust them, at least before trusting, contact me. I will tell you to whom you have to trust or to you don't have to trust. I know the names of such agencies. Okay. So I can give you information, I can guide you information, I can guide you with the information. Okay. So please guys, be aware of such things. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video and for your time, and good luck for your future. Bye bye.